Namaste, a very good morning to all of you. There is a small announcement for you all person who is learning yoga from Swastha Bharat Kendra, either it is in online mode or offline mode, that you everyone have to be cooperative and also very much attentive towards learning. You try to cooperate with the yoga instructor, either you are learning in online mode or in offline mode. Regularly, you have to be very much attentive, very much carefully listening so that more and more instruction you could hear very clearly, because in online mode if you are learning online yoga, then you have to be little bit much more attentive towards the instruction what is being given to you by our yoga instructor. So you have to wait for the change. See, somebody is saying that result is not coming. Result does not come only within a month, though it can come at microscopic level, or some of the results, some of the differences you can feel, but in a large scale, at a large scale, if we want to feel more and more reform, more and more medical benefits, or more and more that yoga is medicinal or yoga is reforming, yoga is of reforming nature, then you will have to practice it with a great and very deep patience for a long interval of time. It takes time. Any reform, any of the change, any of the very much reforming like a 360 rotation, it take always time. Health does not comes only with the practice of 1 days or 1 month. It's a result of your consistent, determined and continuous practices for the long duration of time. It is also like a vector quantity, magnitude all as well as direction. How much yoga you are practicing and how much training that you are taking, whether it is scientific or not, whether it is technical or not, whether that instruction who is teaching you is qualified or certified or not. You have to be very much careful about this also. And apart from that, how much you and how much effort that you are also putting inside that practices which is being conducted by Swastha Bharat Kendra, either it is in online mode or offline mode. So you have to be very much careful, very patientful. It's my surety, it's my guarantee to you that you will surely feel the change. Yoga is just not only the change. It's just not to reform your health only. It's just not only to give you some medicinal benefit or some health oriented or health centric benefits. It's much more beyond of the things. You just practice yoga not only for your good health. You are directly or indirectly practicing yoga to feel the divine experiences. Yoga is essentially divine. You try to understand it. Whether you are worshipping God or not, if you are practicing yoga every day, then or directly or indirectly you are worshipping God. So you have to be very much patientful. You have to show little bit patience. You have to wait for the time till that time when it comes to you to make you feel the experiences which are very much beyond of health practices, beyond of health benefits, health oriented benefits, or your health reformation, anything. Either you are practicing or learning for your health point of view, or for fitness point of view, or for a medicinal point of view, or for to feel divine experiences, or some of the sadhak, I am very happy to hear it that some of the sadhak have taken admission in Swastha Bharat Kendra that they want to feel some divine experiences, they want to do sadhana. It is the actual learning of yoga. So consistently you try to cooperate with instructor. You regularly practice this. Don't take any gap. Whether you are ill or suffering with fever, though you practice some. Whether you are either you practice pranayama or either you practice some of the relaxing postures, relaxing asana, relaxing practices like yoga nidra, meditation, savasana, or something like that. You practice it. Don't make a gap. Regularly, consistent. You have to build up some type of radiation, some type of that type of radiation which can create an aura inside you, around you, that can just not only purify your whole impurities, detoxify your whole thoughts are coming bad or negative thoughts from outside, but it will also help you, support you, give you the very positive and good constructive environment towards your yogic learning. So you have to be mentally also very much purified, detoxified. These all are the part of instruction. In coming days you are going to get all these instruction. So consistently, without any taking gap, without any absence, without any absent, you do practice regularly. You follow the instruction, you listen the instruction. Instructor will instruct you everything on a proper time. With coming of a proper time, you are going to get much more than that what you were getting initially in instruction from Swasth Bharat Kendra. So with the patience, you start practicing, you consistently practice. Don't be upset, don't think about the result. Karmanyevadhikaraste. Okay, you put your best effort, for you give your best, forget rest. You don't have to worry about anything. Result is surely going to come, and it will come for you only. If you are putting any effort, then result of karma is going to you only. These all will be taught you in the theory part. Okay, so start practicing consistently, start practicing regularly, start practicing without any gap. Surely you are going to receive result. You are going to feel the change and reform of your whole body, biochemistry, metabolism also. Everything will be rotated by 360 degree. Just write it down. Only it will be possible after you start putting your consistent effort with patience, consistency, regularity, and all those things which are positive. With a very great dynamic thought, with a very spontaneous willpower, you keep on your practicing. In coming days, you will get some updation also, some quality enhancement also, some boosting up, some your practices will be speed up in that case also. But you have to be little bit capable of absorbing that. Only then speed can only be observed once you have become capable, once you have become ready for that to absorb. Only then. Otherwise it is not going to be absorbed by you, and you will say that it's too fast, or it's not being absorbed by my body, or it's not giving some result. Okay, so with you consistently practice, anything you find difficulties, anything you find problem, or anything that you find that it's you are unable to understand, you ask, you write mail, you call. Already in description box the mail contact number has been given to you. For any quality variability, for any quality fluctuations also, if you are thinking that quality is not in this yoga training, then also you call back, you talk to me, I will give some solution, I will change the instructor. Okay, organization has so many instructors, there are so many yoga instructors, there are so many yoga feature. So maybe one may be different from other, maybe the frequency of yours and frequency of that instructor who is to come may match, and you can be satisfied with that. So regularly, consistently you practice everyday yoga with a great patience, very deep patience. It's going to give you a very positive result. With these all things, that's all. With good wishes, so many good wishes for your health, and so many good wishes for your yogic sadhana also. With this, thank you so much.